Java is a computer programming language. It was created by James Gosling. He worked at Sun Microsystems. Java was first released in 1995. It became very popular quickly. Java is known for being easy to learn. It is also very reliable. Many programmers use Java today. Java is special. It is more than just a language. Java is also a platform. A platform is a place where you can run programs. The Java Development Kit, or JDK, helps you write Java programs. The Java Runtime Environment, or JRE, lets you run Java programs on your computer. The Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, is like a special engine that runs your Java programs. Exploring its key features, Java has many great features. One key feature is platform independence. This means you can write a Java program once, and then you can run it on any computer. It's like magic. Java is also object-oriented. This means you can organize your code into reusable pieces. Think of it like building with Lego blocks. Java is secure. It has built-in features to protect your programs. Java is also very reliable. It is used in many important systems. Finally, Java supports multi-threading. This means it can do many things at the same time. Section 4. Java in action. Where is it used? Java is everywhere. You can find Java in many places. It is used in mobile apps like games and social media apps. Java powers websites and web applications too. Many businesses use Java for their online stores and banking systems. Java is also used to build desktop software like your favorite photo editor or music player. Section 5. Your first Java program. Hello world, let's write a simple Java program. This program will print Hello World on the screen. Public class, Hello World. Public static void, main string, args. System out.println, Hello World. This code is like a set of instructions for the computer. It tells the computer to print the words, Hello World. Learning Java opens up a world of possibilities. You can build amazing things. Java is a valuable skill. It can lead to many job opportunities.